It's called the workaway because the dog has to work facing away from the trainer. How we set this up is I'll place one of Cody's favorite treats right there on the ground for him to focus on. Then I'll look behind Cody and use for one. Emma, that treat was for the dog. That's disgusting. Emma, stay. She's so cute. This is the workaway. Cody, watch. Watch it. Head up. Cody, watch. Head up. Sit. Down. Down. Head down. Stay. Head up. Stay. Down. Down. Stay. Head up. On your feet. Stay. Hang on there. Cody, come here. Cody, we're going to reset you, buddy. Now, Cody is just getting so excited, and he's moving on to the next part, so we're going to slow it down for him and mix it up a little bit. I'm going to give him an easy one first, then we're going to redo it. Watch. Down. Head down. Stay. Head up. Stay. All right. We're going to do it one more time. That's pretty good. Good job there, Cody. Now we're going to do this one more time because the director wants a few more behaviors. So here we go, take 2. Cody, watch. Down. Down. Stay. Head down. Head up. Stay. On your feet. Stay. Back up. Back up. Sit. Stand. All right. That's Cody with the workaway. That's what we're looking for, bud. Good job. Now, Emma, Cody's been working on a finale seat just for you. I want you to open up your arms. Just like that, get ready to catch Cody. In the seat, Emma, he's been looking for you all day, but he's been injured. So Cody's gonna crawl over to Emma, and then with his last bit of strength, he's gonna leap into your lap and give you a great big wet sloppy birthday kiss. She's so excited. Quiet on the set, take 1, and action. Cody's gonna crawl over to Emma. Now Cody, big leap. Big leap. Uh-oh, this isn't right. Hang on. Cody. Cody! Oh no, it's terrible. She's dead. He's dead. Oh, look at him. He's dead. Check this out. We just got a tweet. Oh, this is a shame Cody said. It says he got offered a huge movie deal worth $1 million. How about $2 million? Well, all right, Cody. How about a date with that cutie? Gets him every time. Great job, Cody.